Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are factoring polynomials by grouping. We have two problems. Part A, x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 10. Part B, x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 12. Key concept: factoring by grouping. We use this method when we have four terms and there is no single GCF for all of them. Here is the three-step process. Step 1. Split the four terms into two groups of 2. Step 2. Factor the GCF out of each group separately. Step 3. Factor out the shared binomial that appears in both groups. The key rule: after step 2, both groups must contain the exact same binomial factor. If they do not match, try regrouping the terms. Part A, factor x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 10. Step 1. Split into two groups. Group 1, x cubed plus 5x squared. Group 2, 2x plus 10. Step 2. Factor the GCF from each group. Group 1, the GCF is x squared. X squared times x plus 5. Group 2, the GCF is 2. 2 times x plus 5. After factoring x squared times x plus 5, plus 2 times x plus 5. Step 3. Both groups share the binomial x plus 5. Factor it out. X cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 10 equals x plus 5, times the quantity x squared plus 2. Verify part A. Distribute x plus 5, times x squared plus 2. X times x squared equals x cubed. X times 2 equals 2x. 5 times x squared equals 5x squared. 5 times 2 equals 10. Combine x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 10. Matches. Confirmed. Part B, a factor x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 12. Step 1. Split into two groups. Group 1, x cubed minus 4x squared. Group 2, 3x minus 12. Step 2. Factor the GCF from each group. Group 1, the GCF is x squared. X squared times x minus 4. Group 2, the GCF is 3. 3 times x minus 4. After factoring x squared times x minus 4, plus 3 times x minus 4. Step 3. Both groups share the binomial x minus 4. Factor it out. X cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 12 equals x minus 4, times the quantity x squared plus 3. Verify part B. Distribute x minus 4, times x squared plus 3. X times x squared equals x cubed. X times 3 equals 3x. Negative 4 times x squared equals negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12. Combine x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 12. Matches. Confirmed. Recap. Part A, x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 10 equals x plus 5, times x squared plus 2. Part B, x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 12 equals x minus 4, times x squared plus 3. Remember the three steps every time. Step 1. Split into two groups of 2. Step 2. Factor the GCF from each group. Step 3. Factor out the shared binomial. And always check, the binomial in both groups must match before you can factor it out. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.